Are you a fan of unstoppable power? Do you love that roaring engine and the torque that makes the road yours? Or are you all about the quiet, clean future where cars whisper instead of roar? Today, we dive into a battle between two giants, the mighty diesel engine and the silent electric future. Who will win? Stay tuned till the end to find out. The strength and legacy of diesel engines. Diesel engines aren't just engines, they're legends on the road. With their high torque and towing power, they've been the top choice for trucks and heavy vehicles. Engines like the Cummins 6.7-liter, Duramax 6.6-liter, and even the Volkswagen TDI have made history. They offer unmatched fuel efficiency and durability that can last hundreds of thousands of miles. But it's not all roses. There's an environmental price to pay. The challenges and setbacks diesel faced, nitrogen oxides and fine particle emissions, have been a double-edged sword. Sure, diesel is powerful, but it leaves a significant environmental footprint. The 2015 Volkswagen scandal was a game-changer, exposing emission test manipulations that shattered consumer trust. It wasn't just one company. Governments worldwide cracked down with strict laws, threatening diesel's future. The rise of electric as the future choice. On the other side, electric cars arrived as a revolutionary idea: instant torque, minimal maintenance, and zero emissions while driving. But batteries still pose challenges. Limited range and charging times can slow down long trips. Plus, electricity's clean status depends on how it's generated, which can shift the equation. Realistic comparison. Between diesel and electric, diesel is like the old warrior, strong and relentless, but burdened by environmental costs and maintenance. Electric is the smart, fast soldier, clean, quiet, but still maturing in infrastructure and range. Each has pros and cons, and your choice depends on your needs and driving habits. Tips for viewers. If you regularly drive long distances or tow heavy loads, diesel might make sense. But if you want a quiet daily driver that's friendly to the planet, electric is the future. And keep an eye on charging technology and new innovations. They could change the game in the years ahead. In the diesel versus electric battle, there's no clear winner for everyone, but knowledge is your greatest weapon. Tell us in the comments, who do you think is stronger? Are you ready for the electric future? Don't forget to subscribe for more car insights, expert tips, and engine secrets. Join our community, and always stay ahead on the road.